Want to make more money working with fewer clients? It's time to get paid what you're actually worth, right? If you want to learn how to increase your confidence and your perceived value as a boss so you can finally charge the prices that you truly want, allow me to show you the way. Because yes, you've got the talent, you've got the clients, you even have a few testimonials that say you're the ish. Until you flick through Instagram and see other designers with thousands of amazing testimonials splattered all over their sites, right? It's designers who are actually charging thousands just for a premium backdrop, mind you. And then all of a sudden, your little $300 backdrop doesn't feel so successful after all. Does any of this ring a bell? I'm sure it does. And here's the thing, everyone talks about charging what you're worth, but how many designers like you are actually doing it? My guess, not that many. But here's the deal, premium draping has really taken off in the recent years, right? And with that, prices has also taken off, which means there are a lot of designers charging higher prices, and guess what? People are actually paying them too. But if you're still listening, you're probably not one of those designers charging or even booking clients at a higher rate. You know, maybe it's your mindset around whether you're a good enough designer that's actually holding you back from charging what you're really worth. Or maybe you don't feel like your branding, marketing, or your presentation is professional or glossy enough to even play in the big leagues. I've seen so many designers undervalue their services and charge petty prices for far too long than they actually should. That's why it's so hard, but also necessary for me to say this. Being an awesome designer doesn't automatically mean you'll get paid like one. And if you don't make the necessary changes, whether that's raising your rates, raising your confidence, or enhancing your skills, you might never hit your income goals or possibly become that celebrity designer status that you so much desire. But the good news? As the boss, you can literally change your rates anytime you want. All you have to do is snap your fingers and bam, new prices and an instant raise. But the bad news is you don't actually have the confidence to do it. And that's why at this 2-day seminar, I am going to provide you with the tools and techniques to help you amp up your confidence in your draping, boost your client results, and also help you easily charge higher prices that finally match your worth. So if you're tired of attracting bargain basement baddies, or how about being creative and broke, all you have to do is click that button below today so we can help you level up and get the money you deserve.